Let's see how to make a straight line bigger in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's go ahead and insert our straight line. Let's go ahead to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and right here, click on Lines. And let's go ahead and draw our straight line, for example, right there. And as you can see, we have a pretty thin line right here. Now, there are two ways that you can, or rather, there is a way that you can change the thickness of this line. You can simply click on Shape Outline as long as the line is selected, just like that. Click on Shape Outline and click on Weight. And as you can see, you have a lot of different options where you can choose from and select your preferred thickness of your straight line. And for example, when we hover our cursor, we will see the different thicknesses being previewed right here on our line. And let's go ahead and just select the thickest one, which is 6. And as you can see, we now have a pretty thick line right there. And that is how you can make your straight line bigger in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.